Hello, this is Chad. You've probably figured out that your flame sensor is causing your furnace not to run and it's locking it out. You're probably getting the 3 attempts to try to start your furnace and it won't start. So I'm going to show you what you need to do to fix it. We're going to locate and clean our flame sensor. First thing you're going to want to do is turn off the power to your unit, either by the switch on the side of it or turning off the breaker. Next, let's pull off the cover. Now we need to identify the flame sensor. It's going to be down in here below the gas rail. Usually they're on the left-hand side, but mine is on the right-hand side. Let's take a closer look at it. So here's where mine's at. It's right there. You can see it has the white wire going into a wire terminal connector that connects onto the flame sensor. We're going to unconnect the wire terminal connector, and I'm using a pair of pliers just so I don't pull the wire. And I'll just grab it and remove it. So I'm going to take my 1/4-inch nut driver. There's only one screw holding it in place. You may have to rotate a little bit to get it out. This is the dirty flame sensor with the deposits built up on it. Now I'm going to clean the flame sensor with some steel wool. If you don't have steel wool, you could use some light sandpaper or a Brillo pad. And then I'm just going to wipe it off with a towel. Here it is after we've cleaned it. It's nice and clean now. No more deposits on it, and this will work. Now it's time to put it back in. Now we're just going to work in reverse. Down in place, and the set screw will, once you get it all lined up, you'll be in the right spot, because it will only allow you to set it in one spot. Put the screw in, put the sensor in, then plug in the wire terminal connector. And now you can flip the power on and put the cover back on. And that's it. We're done. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Here's some shots of the flame sensor in place in the furnace, just so you can get a better look at it.